Welcome to Remote Learning. Lesson 5.9 deals with a review of our division strategies, including two-digit divisors, decimals in the divisors, decimals in the dividend. Let's begin at the top of page 175, which has been attached for you. Please make sure that's open now. Also make sure that your notebook is ready and you take notes. We're getting down to some of the last videos I'm going to be doing for math, so please, as we've been saying all week, we're going to finish strong. Thank you. Use the fact that 1,715 divided by 35 equals 49 to solve each problem. That's a division fact we're going to use. All the questions in 1 through 8 have the same dividend numbers and the same divisor numbers. What may change is where the decimal is placed. Looking at number 1, the decimal is here. So we know the decimal point goes there. The division fact, 1,715 divided by 35 equals 49. So we know 49 goes there. So 49 hundredths is your answer for the first one, number 1. I'm going to move the decimal, remove the answer. Let's look at number 2. 35 divided into 171 and 5/10. Now the decimal goes here. Use the Stegmuller method, bring it up. We know 49 goes over the last 2 digits of the dividend. And it's 4 9/10. Same numbers, just, you're right, a different decimal placement. Number 3, 1,715 10,000ths divided by 35 hundredths. So now, in this one, our decimal is here in the divisor, here in the dividend. We go through our strategy, 1, 2, that turns it into a whole number 35. We move it 1, 2 here, that becomes 17 and 15 hundredths. We move up the decimal point, and we know 49 goes there. Yes. Why am I not doing the long division? Because they gave us the answer to the problem in the directions. 49 will always be part of our quotient. What might be different is where the decimal falls. Number 4, 17,150. Well, here they added a 0. Okay. Well, no decimal in the divisor. We know it goes in here, 49, and we're going to add a 0 there if you see the pattern. By adding the 0, all we're going to do is add a 0 in our quotient. Now I'm going to leave for you, just to review on your own, 5 through 8. Let's do 2 problems down below, and then the rest will be good practice for you. Please try to do the math before we get to the class meeting. Great time to ask questions. Change colors. Number 9. 54 divided by 6/10. In this question, we have a divisor with a decimal. We need to change it into a whole number by moving it 1 place, inserting the decimal there. Makes it 6. Decimals here, I move it 1 more, add a 0 placeholder, decimal there. My new dividend is 540. 6 goes into 54 9 times, that's 54. We get 0. Bring down a 0, goes in there, 0. We have a final remainder of 0. 90 is our final quotient. Okay. Let's try number 10. 8 hundredths divided into 72. 72 divided by 8 hundredths. We have 2 digits we have to move over, insert our decimal there to make it a whole number. Decimal is here, we move it 1, we move it 2, new decimal place, fill in with 0 placeholders, we get 7,200. 8 goes into 72 9 times, that's a 0. We'll finish our division. 0 times 8 is 0. Bring down the last 0. and that's another 0. Not bad, is it? Not bad at all. You want to do one more? We'll do one more. London says change colors. Green for you, London. 11. 5/10, 4500ths divided by 5/10. Yes, we have to change the divisor into a whole number by moving it one place to the right. That makes it 5. We move this one place to the right, insert our decimal there. Becomes 5, 4 5/10. Bring this decimal up using the Stegmuller method. 5 goes into 45 9 times. That's 45. For Cal, let's make sure we check our work. 9/10 times the original divisor, 5/10. That's 45. I've got 1, I've got 2, I've got 1, I've got 2. 4500ths. It checks. 9/10 is our final quotient. We're rolling. We are rolling. I think we will. I think we'll leave it for that for today. How much time do we have, Hannah?
6 minutes.
Only a 6-minute video. You're going to finish 5 through 8. There's no work to be shown. Just figure out what the answer is based on the division fact given to you in the directions. We'll do 12 through 20 on the bottom, and that'll be good for today. It's Friday. We're working on our slideshow. Let's get that in. Work on turning in missing work. Anything you know you haven't done, turn in. We're coming close to the end. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you at the class meeting. Thank you.